Lakshapana Waterfall, Sri Lanka. Getting to Lakshapana Waterfall is an adventure in itself, where the journey becomes just as mesmerizing as the destination. Imagine winding through lush green tea plantations and dense forests, with every turn revealing another breathtaking view of Sri Lanka's stunning hill country. The air gets cooler and fresher, building anticipation as you immerse yourself deeper into nature's embrace. While some stretches can be a bit rugged, this only adds to the authentic, off-the-beaten-path charm of reaching such a majestic natural wonder. Every bump and turn is completely worth it for the incredible reward of standing before Lakshapana's powerful cascade. Ever dreamt of standing before a true titan of nature, where water plunges with breathtaking power into a lush abyss? Welcome to Lakshapana Waterfall, a majestic hidden gem nestled deep within the stunning hill country of Sri Lanka. Standing an impressive 126 meters tall, this colossal cascade creates a mesmerizing spectacle of white foam and shimmering mist. You'll feel its powerful roar, vibrating through the air long before you even catch sight of its grandeur, building incredible anticipation. The waterfall is embraced by vibrant emerald green tea plantations and dense, untouched forests, painting a picture of pure serenity. The air here is wonderfully crisp and cool, carrying a fine, refreshing spray that invigorates every sense. The air here is wonderfully crisp and cool, carrying a fine, refreshing spray that invigorates every sense. It's a place where you can truly connect with the raw, untamed beauty of nature, far from the everyday hustle. Every angle offers a postcard-perfect view, inviting you to capture unforgettable memories of this natural wonder. So, if you're seeking a majestic and awe-inspiring natural escape in Sri Lanka, Lakshapana Waterfall is absolutely waiting to leave you spellbound. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you spending time with us.